Flexi Clips as opposed to Flexi Flips, those are two different things. We're going to talk about the Flexi Flip later. Just don't forget those are two different things, okay? Forget about the Flexi Flip and that I even mentioned it. The Flexi Clip comes in, ooh, I knew that wasn't going to work out. I'll take a picture of it and put it right here for you, okay? Pausing for you to admire. 7 sizes. You have the mini all the way up. I'm just not going to show you them all at once because we're going to go through that. To what we call lovingly the mega. So you see the difference? Mega is what you see on the website as XXL or double extra large. Extra large, however you like to say that. Now I'm going to teach you. If you have received a postcard from me, you have a little chart printed out to help you with sizing. If not, that chart is available on every single Flexi Clip product listing on my website. There are also videos on the website and on this channel to help you with sizing. There's also me if you're not sure. Usually I can look at pictures, depending on how many pictures you have on your social media, and figure out where you might want to start. So what you need are a few coins. I have a quarter, well, I have a Canadian nickel, but we're going to go with it, and a dime. I don't have a $50, so we'll go with that. Now, here's the thing. You can do this with just your hands. I'm going to focus over here on my friend. She needs a name. What do you guys want to name her? Let me know in the comments. Let's just assume, and yes, I have friends with hair like this and customers with hair like this. Like, this is all of your hair. This is the thickness. So I'm going to wrap my fingers. It's hard to wrap that small, isn't it? And then I'm just going to pull that out. And so that circle size is a dime, right? So that tells you on the chart, I'll put a picture right here of the mini, that it will hold just a little bit of hair if you have more than this amount, and it will also hold fine hair. It's also great for little girls. You can ask me please if you have a child, let's say 4 years or younger, and want to figure out if this is going to hold. Sometimes, you know, that super baby fine hair, we will not quite be ready for the Mighty Mini, but need to start with bobby pins, and you'll be amazed. We'll talk about those later. Now that, like I said, that dime size is this clip, so that's what you're going to order. The mini or extra small. Watch, I wear these just for small things, so that can hold her ponytail. Can you see her well enough? Let me zoom back in on her. Okay. Now you can also use this. Some hair are so fine and thin that we have to twist it into something, anything, to get that to hold. And like I said, my friend here has very fake hair. Now, if we get a quarter size, well, let's just grab some hair and see what size we end up with, okay? So say this is your amount of hair. I'm going to wrap my fingers. It's not going to be a perfect circle, of course, because it's fingers and it's awkward. And just slide that out, and there's what I've got. I'm gonna guess that that's still a dime. Yeah. So that still should be the mini. Okay. Now, I'm not going to try to make these pretty, just showing you sizing. So that is a nice tight grip. Okay, let's grab a bunch of hair this time. Start here. Same thing. I'm not going to like squeeze it. I'm just going to like be able to get it where you can't just pull it out easily, but you have to intentionally slide that finger out. I'm going to guess that this is going to be a nickel. But of course I dropped on the floor. It's a little bit smaller than a nickel, so we're going to go with that. And my handy dandy chart tells me that that is going to be an extra small. So that is this size. Compared to the mini, this is probably where the largest difference lies between two different sizes. So let's see if that was accurate. Perfect. It's a little loose, so I'm going to show you a trick. If we get it wrong, then we maybe go down to a smaller size, or you take your clip, and because it's made with such strong music wire, you can smash these ends in to spread them out, or smash, and that will make it tighter, or push the sides, the outer sides together to make it looser. Okay, now her full ponytail is this much hair. What did we decide that was? An extra small? So let's slide that out. Quarter. Nope, that was a small. Excuse me. Yeah, we started with a small. Okay, so even all of this thick synthetic hair will go in a small. And like I said, I don't know, my hair will go in a extra small for a ponytail, but I tend to lean towards a small because I can do a little more with that. Okay. Now let's say this sweet young lady that needs a small for her ponytail. I can't really show you a head of hair that needs that larger size, but without having to redo it. This is the same mannequin, just in a different color, wearing an extra large over her bun. It is, I know it's wobbly, but that's mannequin head for you. It's very secure. This has been sitting here for weeks, literally, and been moved 27 times and not smashing her bun. Now I could get an extra large over this, but especially with this clip, isn't that pretty? I like it to not smash the bun because we want to display that, right? Because we worked so hard on it. And it allows that beautiful beadwork to be seen as well. So what if this is your first go around with Lila Rose products? We're going to try to do that sizing and figure it out, and then we're going to pick your ponytail size. Now I say ponytail size assuming that that's one of your go-to styles. If that's not a go-to style, or you never wear a ponytail, then what we need to figure out is which clip will best fit your go-to style. Okay, again, let me know if you need help with sizing. We'll get you sorted out and get just the right product for your hair. So hopefully this, at least beginning of the series, will be helpful to you. If you are making a selection for someone else for a gift, what I generally recommend is that you go with either a mini, which is the extra small, an extra small, and no larger than a small, unless you know that they have tons and tons of hair, or you're doing sister locks or some kind of braids that take up more space. With those, with locks or braids, extension braids, you know, I'm talking about things like that, you want to go with either the extra large or the extra extra large to prevent damage, because you're not looking for a super tight, you're just looking to hold this back out of your face, right? You're not looking to do a lot of styling and things like that. You're just looking for something to safely replace a rubber band. So you don't need super tight fit there. If you need help with that, of course, obviously, I don't have any experience with that, but we do have a colleague, team member who does. That's like actually what she does, and we can discuss that with her and see if she will help us if I'm not able to. All right. Thank you so very much. Have a very blessed day, and we'll see you in the next video. I think we'll probably do bobby pins next, but I might surprise you. See you next time.